Hi guys, this is the third strategy, that is schema tags. This is nothing but micro data that helps make it simpler for search engine to pursue the content of our page more effectively and can serve the better results to our user based on their search query. Under that, we have four different techniques. One is page type, second is name, third is description, and fourth is image. So how we can put all these data on our web pages one by one, we will learn about them and then how to do it practically on our WordPress site. So first is page type. Page type is one of the most important schema tag that all search engine need to know about what this page is all about. It's a normal web page, it's an article, a book review, event, product, global listing, organization, what portion, what it is. And the format is, if you are doing in HTML, then div, item scope, item name, and then instead of type you can write web page, article, book review, whatever it is a type of it. But how to do it on WordPress? It's very simple. You need one another plugin, that is WP SEO Structured Data Schema by KS kcseopro.com. Okay, so you can select article, news article, image, product, video, services, review, aggregate, rating, restaurant, so whatever it is. So let's say it is an article, you can enable multiple, you can enable single, that's up to you. I enabled one, that is a blog post. What is the heading of this blog post? Sorry, we don't have to fill. Let's look at page type. So whenever you select the type, that it's a blog post itself, it's defined that what type of page it is. Okay, next is ninth, that is name. This act as a title attribute of a rich snippet and should be limited to 140 characters. Tags is h1 item pro name, whatever name you want to, and edit. So it's very simple here, just the headline of that post. It can be same as what your SEO title is, or it can be same as page title, but here I would keep it as a SEO title. Again, it will help us in doing that. Okay, next is description. Description is very similar to meta description only, but again it is limited and you have to practice the same things which you have practiced in meta description. Okay, but the format will be changed. H2 item prop name equal to description and whatever you want to give it, and end that. But here you need not have any coding, you just need to write the description here itself. You can write again the meta description or similar to that only. Okay, next is image. Image is a snippet, rich snippet with an optimum size of 180 into 120. Google Plus will shrink this image, but if it is too small, not be displayed. So format is this. It's very simple, guys. Again, you have a publisher logo over here. Click on that, whatever logo you want to put it. Let's say I want to put it this one, my company logo, that is Digital Career. Look at this, width is 90 by 90. It is smaller than the required one, that is 180 into 220. So just try to keep it as high, but not too high. Otherwise, your website become heavier. Okay. Next, so that's the four techniques that you have to use. That's a very important, guys. You should not miss out. But when you try to save it or publish it, okay, it will not be saved unless and until you pull up all the star marked articles into it. For that, the left item we will put it as display page URL. It will be same as your URL displayed here. That is very important to put it. Then author name, you can write your name over here. the image of the author you want to display, or a featured image of this article. Let's keep this image. Okay, it's a mandatory thing, you have to put it. Publish date, you can select the previous date or today's date, whatever suits you in future date. Modify date, it can be same or different. Publishers, the organization name, because most of the things are done by organizations. So organization name. Article body, you need not to put it over here because you have already. Now you are done with all the things of schema tags.